Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Today I'm going to go over the first 4 charts that I look at when I'm given a data set and someone says, what can you tell me? First, I'm looking through the data here, and so I see a date, I see some geography, I see a segment or a customer name. So first thing I always like to do is take a look at the date and pull over sales. So I get a timeline, and depending on how much data you have, maybe year's not a good one. Maybe you want to look at it by month or even by day. And so I usually call this timeline. And like I said, next one we've got country. Now this is German gas stations, so I'm guessing it's just going to be Germany. And we'll bring the sales under color. Yeah, not a whole lot of interesting things there. So let's bring state onto details. Now you're getting something interesting. I brought city over and you kind of lose it. And so for right now, I'm going to hold off. Maybe this will tell me enough. Call this map. Next one, I saw the segment. Oops, not that one yet. I saw segment, so I'd like to put segment on a label and sales on the size. That doesn't really do much. I'm going to call this a tree map because I think that's what it's called. And then let's do a Pareto for customer name to see who the big customers are. Sales here, and we're going to do sort it. We want descending order, find out who the big customers are. All right, and now we'll just call that a Pareto. Now the thing is that you may not get a whole lot of information when you go with these different charts, but that's the point, is you're just starting off and you want to know where should you be digging in next. Oops. Where should you be digging? Oh, darn it. Well, that's fine. And we'll put a Pareto here and then the tree map down here. So there's the first 4 steps: a timeline, a map, a tree map looking at the segments, and then a Pareto to see who the big customers are or products or events or tests. Thanks for watching.